Hey y'all, thank you for tuning into today's video. You gotta bear with me. This thing started off as like a slow morning with me, then it turned into a what I eat in a day to a full-on cooking tutorial at the end. But let's get into this. So as you can see, we started off with breakfast. We had some turkey sausage, then this oatmeal, which was really good, packed with nutrition, protein, everything like that. It was an instant Quaker filled with cranberries, almonds, dates, I think, and brown sugar. Sorry, this thing cut off, but yeah, it was filled with like brown sugar, dates, almonds, cranberries. It was really good. So next we got some cottage cheese. I've been heavy in the cottage cheese lately. I had switched that out for my Greek. Like I switched the Greek yogurt out for cottage cheese. I don't know why. But I be loading it up on top like with either like a berry jam or some maple syrup. And oh my, it be so delicious. I tore this cottage cheese up with this maple syrup. I haven't had maple syrup on it in a while. Then over here we got some kiwis because y'all know that's good in fiber. And I always gotta have some fruit in the morning. Like fruit and water is a must for me in the morning. It was so delicious. All right, I ain't gonna lie. This is one of my favorite things to share with y'all because like I ain't even been into pink drinks like that until I found this concoction. Because for some reason one day I was craving one. So over there at Aldi's they have these prebiotic energy drinks. This strawberry watermelon is my favorite. They got a few other different flavors, but I be buying that one over and over. The nutrition facts, 10 calories, 0 sugar, and I don't think it got any type of fiber in it, but it's so delicious. I got it because it's like a prebiotic, good for your gut. Then it gives me that boost of energy I need sometimes at the end of the day. This coconut water is key, organic, simply pressed or press, whatever they call it, from Aldi's as well. What I loved about this is that it has milk inside of it. And I be like, I drink coconut water a lot, but they all ain't got the milk inside of it. And why not? Voila, pour it into the glass and you got a pink drink at home. So if you like the Starbucks pink drinks, you can make this at home. And I ain't gonna say it's a healthier version, but it's delicious. And to me, it tastes just like it 10 times better. And bam, a water break. Because it's not what you eat in a day if you ain't drinking no water. What you eat in a day, what you drink, whatever. So this is some spring water. I love spring water. I just had to drink that, especially after that energy drink. And bam, we got us some roasted barbecue chicken, and some pizza. This was a quick lunch. The chicken was from the night before, and the pizza we had just put in the oven. This was good too. This had filled me up really, really good. When I said that barbecue chicken was hitting, that barbecue chicken was hits in, okay? And that ain't barbecue chicken, but it ain't burnt a little bit. Mine could have been burnt a little bit more, but it wasn't. So when you say a little, and then I had me a little strawberry Izzy. I usually have to wash down the pizza and the chicken. That's my little type of carbonation. I don't really have too many carbonated drinks, but these ones I really, really like. All right, y'all, and this is where it gets crazy at. This is the cooking portion I was talking about. This that I'm making right here, while I'm talking in the background, this is gonna show you all the ingredients. I'm putting them in the description too. Baby, these were some Mediterranean stuffed peppers. They were so delicious. I mean, so delicious. I don't know what made me want to try this, but I was just like, I want stuffed peppers. My kids had never had them, but I'm like, let me try Mediterranean style because yes, got cut off again. Anyway, I wanted to try the stuffed peppers, but I didn't want ground beef, so I'm like, let me try Mediterranean styles. And I had found some ground lamb inside the market. I'm like, oh yeah, we about to try these. Again, they turned out so good. The only thing I'm gonna say is add a little extra sauce at the end. The extra sauce is really gonna kick it up a notch. I felt like at the end, mine needed a little extra sauce. I wish I would have put one on there. I don't know why I did not, because your girl definitely wasn't running out of sauce. I had a whole hell of a lot of sauce. But yeah, they were really, really good. Another thing I think that turned these things up a notch was that goat cheese that I picked up. That brand, whatever brand that was so good. I've tasted goat cheese before, but it's never been as yummy and creamy and tangy as that goat cheese. That goat cheese was delicious. So the cheese and the sauce, but everything made it taste so good, from the cheese, the sauce, the dill, the sumac, everything. Everything made it taste so, so good. All right, so we start off with some washed rice in a rice cooker because it's going to take the longest. Saute some spinach with adobo, minced garlic, and olive oil. That's finished. Then we're going to start the ground lamb. So good. Seasoned with all the seasonings on the screen. It was so delicious. And when I was cooking this, y'all, my house smelled so good. Not only that, that smell was in my clothes for in there for a minute. Now we mix the spinach with the ground lamb. Once you mix, you want to mix this in real good. After that, we do the rice with the fresh parsley and the red onion that we chopped up. You're going to mix that into the rice, give the rice a little flavor. You want everything to have flavor. Everything needs its own flavor. Then we mix that in a bowl. Once that's mixed, we mix the rice, the spinach, the ground lamb, all the herbs and onions. We mix all that together. Then we got the peppers out the oven. We're going to stuff them bad boys. Stuff them up. Fill them up, y'all. Fill them up. This is the part where I say make sure you add extra sauce. So they filled up. I put a little bit more meat on top. I'm guessing I had some meat left in there. I had to. This goat cheese, so that thing on top. I wish I would have mixed this in though, but it was good though because you got some in every bite. So you put some of that on top of there. Then the sauce, y'all, don't be stingy with that sauce. Add a little extra sauce either when they come out, when they go in there, or when they almost done. After that's done, you're gonna put them bad boys in the oven, maybe for about 20 minutes. Delicious.